guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm Madison, and I'm here with my sister Brooke today. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you get notified every time I post a video. So today we are going to be using the mini slime frappe kit by Wengie'S, and we are going to be making a mini slime frappe, which is basically a mini coffee. So let's set out everything and let's show you what we have. Okay, so we have the pink whimsical glue, the sodium tetra boy, alright, the blue whimsical glue, and we have the container that will hold the slime. We will have the mini cup that will be putting the slime in for show. We have a little straw. We have the air dried clay, which will be the whipped cream on top. The mystery charms, stay tuned to the end so you can see what's inside. We have some cute gems. We have some pink glitter. We have the world's smallest spoon. And we have the popsicle stick. And don't forget, we have the whole kit that everything will be inside. So we are going to be making 2 slimes, but they're going to be one at a time. And the idea for it is going to be for it to look like this. So basically, if we're going to do that, we have to make 2 separate ones, and then at the end, swirl it all together. So let's get started. Open that up.
Okay, I'm really nervous because you
gotta use half of it.
Yeah, so I would like to stop. Okay. Just in case some got on the table. Later. That's good. Okay. And then now I'm gonna start mixing, but I'm gonna wait for Madison. Okay, that's good. Now I'm gonna start mixing.
Okay, so since I used pink before, I'm gonna use blue. And now since Brooke used blue, she's gonna use pink.
And this is my blue if you haven't seen it.
And this is my pink. So let's get started.
Can we have this stop again?
That's good.
A little bit of time on the table. And that's it.
Okay guys, I think I'm satisfied with my slime.
And my 2 slimes, this one turned out purple because I mixed the blue in it, sadly. So
let's start the frappe. Okay, so it is step 3, and according to the instructions, we are supposed to layer each color over, so grab a piece of it, layer it, and etc. So let's get started. And I'm using the little mini cup that came from Wengie'S, but it only came from one. So so we have this baby bottle pop cap, container, because there's no powder left in it from Easter candy. So let's go.
Yeah. And if you haven't watched our Easter video,
go check that
out.
It is a very nice video.
It's a very fun video.
It was fun.
Look at my pretty slime, Maddie.
Don't mix it all up together. It has to be twisty, like this, look.
No, there's just more blue than pink.
You're gonna make it all blue. This is what mine looks like.
And this is what mine looks like. I'm so sad, but it's okay because it looks pretty. Glittery streaks of pink because
She added a lot of glue. Okay, so now we are on the last and final step, which is adding the clay as the whipped cream. So this is my unicorn frappe. Since Brooke didn't have a cup, we used a little baby bottle pop because there was no sugar inside and this was basically gone. So we just used one of those and done because no one wants to get left out. So
Emma, is she right?
okay. Okay. Okay, so let's go.
Okay. This clay is gonna be easy to open. But it's gonna be easy. It's gonna be opening a chip bag.
Okay guys, I didn't like how the other one came out, so we're restarting it. So you gotta grab a piece.
I'm gonna need help.
And grab a piece and start rolling it.
A bigger piece of this?
No, that's fine. Gotta roll it in. Now we gotta put it into the center and just flatten it.
You don't want it too flat. Medicine is perfect.
Okay, so this is what mine looks like.
This is what mine looks like.
Yeah, since Brooke had trouble, she just used the baby bottle cap mold to just make it easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
Yeah.
So this is what ours looks like. We got a little straws that were cut up.
No.
Here.
And where's the glitter?
Yeah.
Well, we'll wear that.
We'll put that right here.
Where do I put mine?
You can put yours right here. Now we're gonna add some gems and glitter, and then just stick that on the top. Okay, so this is what they look like.
I made a little face, and if you want to look at it, you can make more than one. I tried to make more than one, but the gems did not just stay on.
Yeah, also, since we did not have another container, we used a baby bottle pop because this is definitely more than one. So you can just get a baby bottle pop that's empty and it is finished. Now it's time to open up the charm. Let's open this up.
Ah!
It's so cute! Look at this. It's like a little pineapple.
Unicorn! It's so cute, even though that I did not want it. It's so cute.
It's so cute.
And if you didn't watch all the Wednesday videos that Madison posts, go watch it. The hair one.
And the Wengie'S slime review. So, I actually really like this kit. The only problem I have is like this is really more for one. And they only came with little 1 cup, so I feel like they should do another cup because we had to use a little, a baby bottle pop. So yeah, that's my review on it. But other than that, I really love it. I really love this. In the world. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one, guys.
And tell me if you want, and tell us if you want more Wengie videos.
Bye.
Wengie at 5.